In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the icon of Recycle Bin in Windows 11. So the first thing you have to do here, you want to go to the search box down at the bottom in Windows 11, and you want to type in Themes and related settings. So simply click on these settings here. It's going to open up the theme settings, and here you want to scroll down under related settings, and you want to click on desktop icon settings. In here, you want to make sure Recycle Bin is enabled, so it's going to show it on your home screen on your desktop. And then here you can see you can change the icons for a full and an empty Recycle Bin. So you can just click on each and every one of these. For example, I'm going to click on full. You can click on change icon, and you can just go ahead and find the one you want to use. You can click on the one, click on OK over here, and that's basically going to change it like this, as you can see. So let me cancel this very quickly. Okay, you can also add a custom one. So if you go to change icon, you can also do browse over here if you don't want to use any of these, and you could just find one on your computer. Just make sure it actually is a ICO file, so it has to be an ICO file. Okay, so here I have a random image. I can just click on it. It's the ICO file. Click on open, and you can then click on OK over here, and it's going to do that as well. Now if you want to actually create an ICO file, you could have any image you took or you find anywhere, and then you can just go ahead and use a converter on the internet which actually converts any format into ICO, or you could also use something like Photopea over here. So for example, this is Photopea. You could go ahead and drag in the image. You could go to File, top left, do Export As, More, and then find ICO. And then in here, you can go ahead and, of course, select the width and the height, and then save it as the ICO file. And then you can use that as your new icon for your Recycle Bin. So those are all the ways to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.